Hello, welcome to my brand new channel, the Cheapo Chateau. For those of you who are new to me, hi, my name is Nicki. For those of you who are coming over from my houseplant channel, thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. You are so supportive and I love you so much. So just a bit of background about myself. If you are new to myself and my personality, my name is Nicki, and I started here on YouTube about 2 years ago in the houseplant community. I love it so much. I have met so many wonderful and amazing people. So just my experience on YouTube has been amazing thus far, and I have so enjoyed just getting to know people and learning so much about how this whole thing works. I never thought in my 41 years that I would ever be on YouTube. I wasn't really a big watcher of YouTube unless I wanted to know something like right now. But it's a whole nother world and it has been such a ride. So a little bit about me. I am from Ontario, Canada. I am a mother of 3 beautiful, wonderful children and 1 gorgeous, amazing grandson. My daughter and my grandson live on their own now, and my 2 boys are home. They are 11 and 13. Thank you for your condolences. It's a really hard time having 2 preteen-ish boys. It's scary. Pray for me. Anyway, so I have been so incredibly wrapped up in houseplants, both physically and emotionally and mentally, that I have put a lot of my other passions just on the back burner. And just lately, I've really started to get back into doing a lot of the things that I used to absolutely love doing. And so much so that I really wanted to share them with you. So this channel will be all about making your space look good on a budget. So things like buying furniture secondhand that's super cheap and making it look modern or more chic or updated or, you know, glam or whatever. Not that there's any glam going on here. More just updating things, making them your own, giving them a new lease on life. We're going to do a lot of cleaning and organizing type things. I have a huge project coming up in my kitchen right now. We are flipping the entire kitchen. So not only are we repainting things, we're putting new hardware on things. We are organizing. I was going to say reorganizing, but really it's not organized in there right now. So we are going to be organizing everything in my kitchen, my cupboards, my fridge, you name it. It's getting an overhaul in there. It's going to be crazy. I am so excited to show you. We're going to be doing home decor DIY things that you can, that you may have lying around the house that you can turn into something amazing. And just all of that sort of stuff. So I got so many things planned for you and I can't wait to get started. So I will see you this coming Friday for my very first official video on this channel. That was long and ranty. Oh, that is also part of my personality. I'm a little ranty. I go off on tangents. All of my GFPs from my other channel will tell you that's a thing. So I'm just giving you a forewarning. Feel free to subscribe or change your mind and unsubscribe at that point. But I just like to keep things real. That's part of my personality. That's something that I can't change, nor is it something that I want to change. It wouldn't be me if I tried to make myself into something that I'm not. And so that's one of the things that I really want to hit home and be is being real with you guys on this channel. So you're gonna see things like, you know, inside my cupboards and fridges. It's not pretty. It's not pretty, but it's real. And I don't want to make this channel into something all frou-frou and like my life is perfect and whatever, because it's really not. It's really not. Like if you walk into my home and look around, you're like, oh, she's got it together. I don't. Don't open the cupboard. Don't open the fridge. Don't look under the bed. Don't open a closet. It's not going to be good, but I'm going to bear it all to you guys on this channel because we're all about keeping it real. So If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you on this new, super awkward grade 8 new student journey. And I hope you have a great time here. Feel free to introduce yourself down below. Tell me who you are, where you're from. I mean, not specifically, like, I don't want to stalk you or anything. Just like, hey, I'm from, you know, Ontario, Canada, or, you know, Mississippi, or, you know, Thailand, or wherever you're from. Oh, Nicki, this is already ranty. I will go ahead and wrap this video introduction / trailer up by just saying thank you guys for taking the time to even watch this. I appreciate it so much. I hope to see you on Friday. Love you guys. Mwah!